for those kind of heterogeneous mixture where out of two components, one component is heavier than others. So what will be the beneficial if one is heavier and one is lighter? Then we add that mixture into water. Okay. Now here heavier and lighter means heavier than water and lighter than water. Okay. Heavier than others and water. So the component which is heavier than water will be sink in it, and which is lighter than water, it will be float over the water. So we can easily separate those mixtures. Clear? Like examples, sawdust and sand. Sand particles are heavier, so it will be sink in the bottom, and sawdust are lighter than water, so it will be float over the water. After that, we can separate this mixture. This is gravitational method by the using force of gravity. Next, sublimation. Look at here. Next, sublimation. थोड़ा बहुत भी अगर दिख रहा है, ठीक है. If somehow it is able to understand, then look at here that there is sublimation. So, give example. Similarly, for sublimation process, there is need to be one sublime particle should be present. So give me some examples of sublime particles.
Sir, camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene balls.
Anthracene, iodine.
So when this compound will present with another compound, we will definitely use sublimation process. Like we will supply some amount of heat, so sublime particles will be left the mixture by converting itself into gaseous state. So we can separate them. So like examples are naphthalene salt, naphthalene plus salt. So which particle will be sublime? Out of
Sir, repeat
naphthalene,
again.
Naphthalene.
naphthalene. Next mixture is camphor plus sand. So camphor will be evaporated or gaseous state converted into gaseous state. Ammonium chloride plus alum. So ammonium chloride will be sublime. By this process, we will use uh, we can separate sublime particles from the mixture. Next is solvent extraction method. Okay, solvent extraction method. Solvent extraction means out of two solid components, suppose there in mixture two solid components are present. So basically this is used where out of two, anyone dissolved in a particular solvent and other one will not. Okay, means suppose A and B two components are present, whereas if we will add one common solvent or any kind of solvent, so out of two, any one will be soluble in that solvent, but another one will not. This is solvent extraction, or simple name of this method is by using suitable solvent. Okay, either you can say it solvent extraction method, or you can say it by suitable solvent method. Similar thing. Means in mixture, solid mixture, we will add one solvent. So one component will be soluble in it and another component will be not. So the components which will soluble, that will be in soluble form. Now this portion is insoluble. We can separate it by filtrate. Okay. Like examples, if we are having a mixture of salt plus sand, sugar plus sand, then what solvent we will add?
Sir, water.
Water. In water, salt or sugar will be dissolved and sand will be remained. So remaining portion will be separated out, and after that we will supply heat. So by evaporation of water, we will get again salt and sugar. ओके, यहाँ पर वो ड्रॉ करके समझा दिया जाए। एक बात याद रखना, जब हम लोग वो फिल्टर करेंगे, सेपरेट करेंगे, तो तब सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स जो डिजॉल्व नहीं हुआ था, जो फिल्टर पेपर के ऊपर मिलेगा, दैट इज नोन एज रेसिड्यू, and after the filtration the pure liquid which will we get, that is known as filtrate. Okay, pure liquid is known as filtrate, and the solid particles remain in filter paper is known as residue. Here I have written that. Okay. Next, fractional crystallization. Fractional crystallization is applicable also for the solubility. Means the basic point of fractional crystallization is solubility. The solubility of different solid components to the different extent in the same solvent. Means two components are present. We are adding a common solvent. Both the components will dissolve in that solvent, but both of them will dissolve not in the same extent. Suppose A and B present, A and B two solid present. We are adding water. A will dissolve suppose 80%, B will dissolve suppose 50%. So A is more soluble in that solvent, but B is less soluble. We are using this solubility extent for this process. Okay. Now suppose we add water, A and B, both will be dissolved. A will be more soluble, B will be less. Okay, in fixed temperature. So after that, after the complete soluble, complete dissolved, we will pull the solution. So the portion which will more dissolved will be first leaving behind the NaCl, first leaving from the solution. मतलब ए और बी दो कंपोनेंट का एक मिक्सचर है, वाटर ऐड किए, ए 80% डिजोल्व हुआ, बी 40% डिजोल्व हुआ। अब इस मिक्सचर को जो सॉल्वेंट में डिजोल्व हो दिया है उसको ठंडा करना है, कूल करना है। कूल करने पर the substance which was dissolved more amount will be left first, okay. So dissolve more amount में कौन हुआ था? A. So A will be first crystallized. A पहले crystallized फॉर्म में बाहर आ जाएगा. This is known as fractional crystallization.
So please explain again.
I'm telling, suppose two components A and B is present. A and B are present. We are adding water. Okay. A मेरा डिजोल्व होगा सपोज 80% और B मेरा वाटर में डिजोल्व होगा 40%. ठीक है, दोनों कंपोनेंट्स वाटर में सॉल्युबल है, वाटर में सॉल्युबल होता है, बट दोनों का जो सॉल्युबिलिटी है वो सेम नहीं है. किसी का solubility 80% है, किसी का solubility 40% है. So the component which is more soluble, which one is more soluble, A or B?
Sir, A.
A. The components which is more soluble will be the left the mixture first when it will be cooled. जो मोर soluble components है वो पहले सॉल्यूशन से बाहर आ जाएगा एज ए क्रिस्टल फॉर्म जब हम लोग वो सॉल्यूशन को कूल डाउन करेंगे तब. ठीक है, तो सॉल्यूशन से ए बाहर आ गया तो बी उसमें रहा. अब बी तो बाद में हम लोग क्रिस्टलाइज करेंगे, ए सेपरेट हो गया उसके बाद. मतलब पहले हम लोग सॉल्वेंट ऐड करेंगे, सॉल्वेंट में दोनों कंपोनेंट सॉल्युबल होगा, लेकिन दोनों कंपोनेंट्स का जो सॉल्युबिलिटी है वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्सटेंट में होगा. इसीलिए हम लोग फिर जाकर उसमें उस मिक्सचर को कूल डाउन करेंगे. कूल डाउन करने पर जो कंपोनेंट का सॉल्युबिलिटी ज्यादा था वो मेरा सेपरेटेड आउट हो जाएगा पहले, वो मेरा क्रिस्टल फॉर्म करेगा पहले, उसके बाद जो बाद में था वो वाला. Okay. These are the total separation methods of solid-solid mixture. Next day we will discuss separation of solid in liquid mixture. Okay. As today there is signal issue, so you can't understand what I am telling. For solid it is maximum theoretical portion, so you can, but solid liquid I have to explain it by diagram and you have to see that diagram, otherwise you can't understand. So I'm having to stop here. I will send these notes in group. All of you should read write the notes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, and bye, sir.
Bye. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Welcome. Welcome.